Hello. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Okay, King here once again, and my sincerest apologies for those that were waiting for the ADX strategy. Here it is. I should have done it, however, due to unforeseen circumstances, I was unable to do the video. As and when I said I would put it up. However, here it is, and yep. Okay, let's go. Clear your chats, and this is a very simple strategy that uses just two simple onboard um, technical indicators. Okay, so the first indicator is a moving average. Okay, and then the next indicator is the ADX itself. Okay, so um, so the moving average is used in this strategy to identify and hold a trend, okay? And then the ADX is used to identify um, the trend strength and the direction of price, the direction in which price is zooming or sprinting or moving at any particular time, okay? So here is what happens. How do we enter a buy? We look for the close of price above the moving average, okay? Or we come to the ADX, and just before we go there, I needed to mention what the three lines in the ADX are. So the ADX has basically three moving averages. The white one, which is the main ADX line, which is a trend strength indicator, okay, much similar to the RSI. um, and then we have the green line here, that's the plus DI, okay, and then we have the red line, which is usually for sell, which is the minus DI, okay. So when the white line is trending upwards, okay, it's an indication that price is moving in the upward direction. Sorry, it's not moving in the upward direction. It's an indication that a trend is forming and a trend is strong. So for as long as it keeps moving in the upward direction, we know that a trend is strong and a trend is likely to continue, okay? A trend is forming and the trend is likely to continue. Now, when the slope changes from up to down, it does not mean you should sell. No. A negative slope of the ADX is just a sign that a trend is losing strength. Okay, so the white line here, the main ADX line or the main ADX moving average, is only used to indicate trend strength and not direction, okay? Which is why we can identify that a trend is forming and a strong trend is actually running, okay? But then we will need a moving average, okay, to tell us in which direction either support or resistance has been formed or confirmed. Added to that, we will need one of the DMIs to tell us, to confirm that actually, as is in this case here, we have a strong trend upwards. We have the white line trending upwards, showing increasing trend strength. We have a close of price above the moving average, and we see that the moving average, in this case I've used the 50 simple period moving average, okay, price is steadily holding above this, okay. Now the advantage of this strategy is, one, you're not looking at too many things. One, you're just looking at the position of price, okay, whether it is above or below the moving average. You come down to the DMI and you find the plus DMI, which is the green moving average, above the red, and so the dominance of the green says, okay, fine, we're in a buy. Price is above the moving average, okay, fine, so we're in a buy. The white line, the main ADX line moving average, the trend strength indicator, is trending upwards, and so we have a strong trend, we have a confirmed support here, and we have confirmed uh, 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 plus DMI indicator saying that it's a buy, so we get in. Now the other advantage with this is that you have the ability to hold a trend for as long as for as long as it's running. You basically become a trend rider, okay? You can hold it using the moving average, okay, and not using the ADX, okay, unless your intention is to scalp, okay? If you're scalping, then that's fine. You can use the moving the ADX, because you find one top here, you find another top here, and one, two, and then three tops here, okay? So you will keep getting in and out, but of the main trend, okay? Now when you look at this here, price breaks below the moving average, very strong break at that, and it's confirmed here by the ADX, trending above the level of 20 and continually zooming upwards. And then we have a break here as we begin to have a few slopes, a few tops here on this here, and this is not an indication that that trend was actually moving in the opposite direction. However, when you look down here, okay, you find that when the market started, when you look at this fractal, okay, and you realize that from this point, okay, let me just mark this out, this fractal right there, okay, now you realize that price generally begins to move in the opposite direction, upwards, right? Now you find that trend begins to grow, okay, it begins to trend upwards again with the plus DMI, again minus DMI is below, okay, look here, trend is increasing, okay, minus DMI is now trending, okay, together with the ADX strength indicator, and plus DMI is below, okay. So you would enter a sell somewhere around here, around the new hour of the day, and then take it down, and then you have the option to close it when you identify this double bottom reversal pattern, or you could just wait for the break of the break above the moving average. So those are all options available to you, okay? So yeah, the basics of this strategy: one, identify the trend, okay, identify the position of price, identify the strength, and then confirm the trend strength, okay. So one, find the position of price. One, where is price? Two, how strong is there, or is there not a trend? Then how strong is the trend, okay? Then you can get in and hold the trend as opposed to jumping in and out. Of course, this is my recommendation as a trend continuation trader, okay? Now the trick behind this is you need to have the right settings, okay? So you could go back to your Excel and start doing all the math, and or you could contact me and I will do all the math for you, and the whole optimization process usually takes about a day, and it's really mind numbing. But yeah, so I'm going to run you a small sample of what this strategy can actually do. I'm going to do a small non-visual back test, of course, just to show you what this simple strategy would perform like for you from the beginning of this year to, well, today or yesterday evening. Okay, so let's just do a quick non-visual test, and I'll show you the profitability graph right there. So ADX, very simple, two indicators, and yeah, simple moving average, and ADX itself. Okay, let's see. Where is the profitability graph? Have we started running? Okay, yeah, okay. Trade one is in a loss. Trade two, three, profit. Initial balance from $300 initial deposit, and we're up to around 400, 450 maximum, okay, 387, a few losses there, back to 418, back to around 387, 418 there, a few losses going there, and then up to 481, okay, then 405, we're ranging around the 400 area, up to 588, $675, okay, up from 300, $705 maximum hit. We're down to $620, okay, we're still moving. down to around 550, straight up to 946. I included a martingale in this system, which is why you're seeing a steady increase, and down to 933 from $1,000, 972, $1,206 as of yesterday evening is what you would be able to withdraw, assuming you didn't make any withdrawals. Okay, and this accuracy can obviously be increased, and yeah, so don't expect quick important note is please don't expect these exact settings. I've run it on gold. Okay, don't expect these same settings to work on oh yeah, and I was using a lot size of 0.01. Okay, micro, okay, micro lots. Don't over leverage your account. Don't use insane lots. And I always do my tests with $300. That you know for sure, I always do my tests with $300. I use micro lots, and yes, the trick behind this is as I said, the ADX settings. Okay, and as it were, yes, I need to emphasize this, all my tests are usually done with zero take profit and zero stop loss. Okay, so I actually let the strategy run, I let this robot run bare. Okay, so it takes the maximum profits, it holds the trades until its logical end, logical conclusion of any trend. Without a take profit, it will just keep on running, whether it holds a position for a day or two or three, as long as I'm still profiting. As long as there's a sign of me going to make a loss, the robot will exit my trade and save me some money there for the next trade. Okay, so yeah, if you guys want more on the ADX, and maybe wish to get some settings for gold or currencies or whatever it is you're trading, then yes, you can contact me. I mean, on phone, on what, email. Send me an email. Find me on WhatsApp. Find me on Telegram. Send me. I'm in so many WhatsApp and Telegram groups. It's hard for me to follow them all, but I always respond to every single email I receive, every single WhatsApp and Telegram text, personal text. So yeah, I'll be leaving my Telegram and WhatsApp lines, an email address in the description below. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button somewhere down here and the notification bell, such that you can receive updates on as and when I put up new strategies for you. Okay, so happy pips, and nice trading to you guys. See you on the other side. Okay, adios.